that gift? What is that? Wow. Oh, cool. Take them all out. Can you get them out? Need Daddy to help you? Oh, that's neat. Since they're wood, they're not going to get smashed. That's awesome. And maybe... There, now lift it up. Lift that top one up. Lift it up. Whoa! Are they wood then?
Yeah.
Cool. Uh-oh, not gonna be able to see Dree. Oh, nope. Which one's next? The bigger one. The bigger one. There you go. What's next? Cool. Look, now, Drake, can you...
Oh, you stinking pot.
Hey, you love knocking things down. Drake, can you see all the animals on the side?
Okay, what's this?
You know those animals?
What's that?
I'm not sure what that
Okay,
is.
we're gonna
You want to do your puzzle? Yeah, Kitty. Good job, Dree. Oh. Good job, Dree Bird. You got it. Turn it a little bit. Turn it. There you go. Yeah, like that. Good job, Lexi. Bouncing back there.
Good job, Dree.
Good job, Dree.
5. 5.
Two more. You are so good, Adriana. Ooh.
That's right.
You got it. Turn it just a little.
You do it. No, you do it. You got it. There
You got it.
Right
It's
there.
like right there. Yay! Last one.
Good job,
Dree, good job, honey.
Turn it over.